right in there. They dredged this out a little. Oh, geez, I had one there and I didn't even. There we go. I don't think it's too big a fry. Actually, it's not bad. Look, it's clear water. Just so neat. There's the old 4-inch smoked salt and pepper. Kalin's grub smallie. Oh, look at the dark tail on it. Nice fish, couple pounds. Maybe not. Still a nice fish. Let's get that guy. Jeez. Come on, let's get that guy over here. There we go. Nice. Look at that. Belly hold. Where they kind of relax out on you. Oh, come on, buddy. Let me get that grubs out of there. Yeah. He's digging down. Not want to come up. That's a pretty good fish. Nice. Pretty nice fish. Kalin's. Hey, this is a good one here. But this guy goes over 4. Oh, that's a nice fish. I want to grab him. I don't want to take a chance of losing one. Oh. Nice Kalin's grub. That's got to be a 4.5 pound fish. Look at how fat they are.